Good morning. Hello, everybody. The life of a podcaster is on the move. It is October. Oh, you know what I gotta do? I forgot to put the dates on all the other ones, so I'll do that. Um, this is November 3rd. It's election day. Are you voting? Hey, get over here. Shh. Come here. Come here. That's right. Shoot. All right, so it's election day. Smokey, over here now. Now, come. Oh, these dogs. Anyway, it's election day, and if you vote, vote. You know, whatever. I'm not too particular. It's up to you. It's your personal decision to vote. So you do what you do. And I'll keep my stuff personal and keep going from here. So today is interview day. Yay! So I have a cool story to tell you. And so after my exercise this morning, I'll tell you about that. It's the unexpected phone call. Welcome to my set number one. So a lot of people ask me, can you make money with podcasting? Seriously. I mean, you're sitting there, you're doing everything, you're editing, you're doing all these things to get this podcast out. Can you make money with podcasting? The answer is yes. You can make lots of money with podcasting depending on how you do it. So I'm going to go over just a couple of ways. Monetization, of course, everybody knows monetization. So yes, all of my podcasts, every time somebody listens to Dream Chasers Radio or they listen to the actual podcast, because I don't have monetization on YouTube yet. I don't have 4,000 watch hours because I just don't. But if you guys listen and watch these videos, then I am closer to getting monetized on YouTube. But I am monetized on my podcast. So what does that mean? It just means that every time someone listens to my podcast on Apple, iTunes, Google Play, Stitcher, Spreaker, and Spotify, and all of the audio versions of my podcast, I do get a percentage out of that. And so go ahead and tune in to Dream Chasers Radio. I am with Blog Talk Radio, and I know Blog Talk Radio gets a big bad rap, but they're really, really good. I've been with them ever since I started, and I am telling you right now, I can go on live or I can upload. I like the variety that I get. I like the people that are there, and I've had the relationship with since the beginning. So I'm not gonna leave Blog Talk. I've added a couple of different places in correspondence with Blog Talk, and I've sent over my RSS feed, and that's how I'm getting more plays and I'm getting more money from that. So that is already hooked up, and that's monetization. Now, how much do I make from that? It all depends on how many listeners I get that month. It's really not a lot, to say the least, because my podcast gets about, on the audio version, about 53,000 hits a month, and I get paid according to that. Now, the actual video version, I'm also on Vimeo, and I'm on Amazon Fire, and I'm on Roku. No, I do not get paid for those. They are not monetized, and so I am looking into monetization for those, but at the moment I am not getting paid for those because that's not my primary focus at this time. It doesn't mean that in the near future, which will probably be the case, that I won't be looking for monetization there. But over there, I get about 90 to 100,000 views a month, and that is video. So that's vlogging or podcasting on the video where I do the interviews video wise. Now, my most money comes from, and yes, you've guessed it, my most money comes from Fiverr. So Fiverr has been the biggest platform that I've had. I've made over $16,000 with Fiverr, and we're going to head over there now, and I can show you how I've made money on Fiverr as a podcaster, and also keeping my stations up and keeping my websites up and keeping everything going is my main priority. And adding on to all the things that I want to do with this podcast is going to be the reason that I need to make money with this podcast. So if you want to help me out, please do by listening to it on Blog Talk Radio. You can tune in at Yaya Diamond's Dream Chasers Radio on iTunes. You can go anywhere. You don't have to pay a dime. You can listen to me anywhere. And all you have to do is say, hey, I just helped Yaya out. I just paid her. And all I had to do was listen. Let's go ahead and go to my computer. I'm going to show you what it looks like on Fiverr. Okay, so here on Fiverr, as you can see, I have some money in the withdrawal that I'm going to leave there because I do a lot of promotions. As you can see, use for purchases is going to be where I promote my station and everything. I have everything kind of hooked up here. I've withdrawn $15,854.46. I have a net income of $16,606.8 cents. So once I hit $20,000, I become a Fiverr Pro or something like that. I get kind of like more benefits. My pending clearance is $56 and my available withdrawal is $44. You do have early payouts, so I can grab all of this early, but why? It's only $4. It doesn't make any sense. I have a $40 clear and then I have a $4 clear. So basically what this says is on Fiverr, I do give out, I do offer my services as an interviewer. And my first, of course, my shortest and first gig, they call it, is a $5 interview. Fiverr charges their service fee and then they charge $1 and I make $4. So um, it's really good. I've been here since 2015. So for 5 years, I've made 16,000. But actually, it's been since COVID that I've really kind of geared up and made the most money on Fiverr. I think the beginning of the year, I was at maybe like 6 or 7 thousand. And so since the beginning of the year, I've made the rest, which is a lot and substantially a lot more money. And as I go, I'm making more money. Now, it does say here I'm a level 2. There's different levels here. I have other gigs here. So I will place your video on Roku and Amazon Fire, basically. So basically, if you already have a video or a music video and you kind of want to place it up to get that 90 to 100,000 people, that the potential to have them view your product or your music video, that's a good one. I'll give you your own dedicated shout out on my station. That means I'll shout you out. I'll kind of put a little video beforehand and kind of give you some props for going after your goals and your dreams. This one's really good. I'll feature you in my national magazine. I do have a magazine. It's called Diamond, and it is online. And I will be going through a couple of things with that, and that one's really cool. I will video interview you on Roku and Amazon. So we do a video, and then I edit it, and then I put it up. I'll sing your jingle or in a pro studio. So basically, I do a lot of children's things, children's jingles, and just things like that, and people love it. I will do an American female voiceover. I've had a lot of success with these from time to time, but it's mostly character voices and children voices. So I am really good with that because I have kind of like that energetic voice. There you go. I would teach you how to think outside the box. That one here, I don't get anything from that. I really don't. But it's something I put there because I would love to teach someone how to think outside the box. We're so used to doing things the normal way. And I am just, I don't. I don't. So, and I will sing your chorus or your song for $25 starting. So a lot of people want their chorus sang, or they want a short children's song sang, or so they order these, and these are pretty good. My most popular one, of course, is going to be the interview, but I do have a lot of different options here, and so I have been making a lot of money here, and I've had 830 reviews. I'm a 5-star seller. I'm a 5-star recommended seller, and I have really good reviews here. I'm very happy about this because I do try my hardest to make sure that the person that comes on and orders and gets their order, that they're treated with the utmost respect and the utmost quality, and I get the best interview that I can get. So this is pretty much my main source of income as far as podcasting is concerned. Yes, I am looking for other ways to get money, but this is the main place. So I am at fiverr.com/ Yaya Diamond. So as you can see, yes, it is possible to make money being a podcaster. Monetization is going to be a big thing, and getting 4,000 hours on YouTube is my next goal. That's why Operation YouTube is full effect. So I hope you're having a wonderful time here at the Life of a Podcaster, and I'm going to be answering some questions and giving you a few different tips. I'm going to say that Fiverr is going to be the best thing. If you want to be a podcaster, just go ahead and start, and don't worry, you get better as time goes by. I have a lot to do today, but I am not done. So hold on a second. I'll be right back. Okay, we're at Lowe's, not sponsored. And hello. Hi. We're gonna get a couple of things for the house. And to Lowe's. It's all Christmassy. I need that light. I think the light is over here. So this light that I'm about to get at Lowe's, which is my favorite place to come for home improvement and stuff like that, is gonna be, hold on, I need one of these. I just need one, something long. Aha! That's what I need. Okay. And then the blue light, I don't know where the blue light is. It was over here, but it looks like they changed stuff around. Oh, that's cool. All right. Ooh. Yeah, I'll take you guys planting with me soon because I gotta redo my garden. I don't see the light. Let's go down this way. I'm looking for the light. Looks like we might be in the right section here. Okay, look. Oh yeah, I have some of this and it killed my. So the light, haha, bug zapper. That's what I'm looking for. Yep. This is the one I have in the house. Yep, this is it. It was a lot cheaper last time I got it. $60. Where's the, aha. No. This is the one I have. It's a lot cheaper. That's the one. Bug zapper. You don't have a cheaper one? Nope. And, oh, I gotta pick this up. $2.98. You're mine. Wasps. Did you know if an intruder came in your house and you used the wasp spray, it's 25 feet, and you spray them in the eyes, they'd have to get medical attention? Yeah, it's kind of cool. All right, so that's my Lowe's adventure. I'm getting ready to go to the store and pick up some food real quick and then go home and get ready for interviews. It would just be like me to dare to be different, to go to Lowe's and then to go shopping for food, only to find out that I left my wallet on my desk at home. So now I have to hurry up, get in my car, which I like to walk, so I parked all the way over here. So since everybody kind of knows me, which is a blessing, I went ahead and shopped. And now I'm going to go home, pick up my wallet, pay for everything, and walk out the store. That's kind of like a blessing, but I still got to get home. So I got to figure out the fastest way to get there, get the wallet, get back, get ready for the 1 o'clock radio interviews. It's the life of a podcaster. So it's the end of the day, and I got everything I needed at Lowe's. I went back home, I picked up my wallet, went back, I paid for everything, I got everything done, and now it's late, I'm tired, and I just finished a vocal class, and yeah, so it's just, it keeps going and going, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'll see you in the morning. Good night.